Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to change birthday or gender on Skype. Open Skype app. Go to the left side panel. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Go to Account and Profile. Click on Birthday on the right side of the window. The Settings window in the web browser will open. Click on Edit Profile button at the top of the page. Scroll down to Birthday block. Enter your date of birth. Go to Gender. Click on it and select the gender option that you want from the list. Click on Save. Your information will be updated in the app too. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!